Hey people, here we are in beautiful Kingsport. It is a lovely day. We're getting ready to put the modules up.
I found on the web.
Oh, my Google's talking to me. Dalton's assembling the panel lift, and I'm sitting in the truck playing with my GoPro as usual. All right, here we go. We had to park all weird because of the steep driveway. Didn't want the modules to fly off. I need, where the hell I put those mid clamps? Here we go. You doing okay, Dalty?
Yep. It's pretty much ready to go.
Sweet. Well, I'll wait and I'll help you lift that. There we go. How does that look for a tilt? Maybe a little bit more. All right, here, let me get the stabilizer. Yeah, that's perfect, man. Whoa, gopher hole right there. This is the transporter system designed for roofers, but we got the piece that allows you to lift a whole bunch of plywood. Yeah, it is a little cockeyed. Ow. Have to change into my Daisy Duke soon. Wow, look. Beautiful, beautiful sky today. People go so fast down this road, it's ridiculous. Got some more mid clamps, Everest, cross rail, mid clamp, dark colored, 30 to 47 millimeter frames, or shared rail. They do a share railed system. And I don't really like that too much. I've done a couple shared rails, but I mean, I guess you could do it on the small system. But when everything is crazy like this and you have stuff not even and unlevel and these Tennessee roofs, you can't really do shared rail, even though you do have a few inches to play with. This mid clamp is really cool. That is Deutschland engineering right there. Deutschland. So these are black, all black modules. And you won't see any of the silver underneath there. Nice sun, but it was chilly. It was cold this morning. But that's perfect for doing solar. I'll take it any day over the 90-degree heat and no breeze. All right, ready to do the cable. Where's the, there it is. It's the brake, or it's kind of like a brake clutch. See, you can only have you on there 200 pounds, including your shoes. All right.
I don't weigh 200 pounds.
So you're good. How much do your shoes weigh?
Let's go. Yeah, it might have something to do with that. They seem to play outside a lot though, those feet.
Yeah.
That's good.
What is that noise? It sounds like death metal. Is that what that is?
I was hearing something earlier. I don't know.
It is. Somebody's listening to metal, and I thought it was the kids. All right, this is a really handy machine if you have a small crew of 2 people. You don't have to go up and down the ladder 10,000 times. Should have plenty of gas. Plenty with a U. That's Michigan talk. Plenty. Let's get this warmed up. All right. Let's see. Let's think about where we're gonna start. Probably that end there. No, because we need to go up like this, and then this one's gonna come off that one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We might have some weird creeping because of the dips in the roof. All right, let's get this warmed up. On. Choke. Gas is on. Whew, smells flooded. Just making sure everything's together. Let it run for a little bit. I wonder if anyone's buying any stock in wine companies. And of course, I get here and I have to pee. Maybe I can go in that grate right there.
I like to ride the member through there.
Yeah, and put your John Thomas through the grate, and people just think you're taking a break. They were only about 40 pounds, these modules. Full black, half cut cells. So basically it's 2 panels in one. Almost 19% efficiency. And the price is awesome too. You ask, why do I have a winch? Well, that's because I do hydro and wind power. The winch is very handy for pulling up towers. Good. That's probably good. It's fine. All right, ratchets up there, tie wraps up there. All right, looks like we're gonna start down there. One of the things with setting the modules, you really, it's all about how it looks. You can't really measure from the edge of the roof. You can, well, you can. I mean, if it's a metal roof and it's put down where the panels aren't staggered. If the roofer started square. I think you're right. I mean, not noticeable enough with this many panels, but oh, look at that. That's the sign of a luxurious roofer right there. Always repair what the roofers have done, because who gets blamed?
Solar guys.
Dalton.
We could keep going.
I think we can keep going. I mean, even looking at where the clamp's gonna fall. Wow, there's a hot rod. And it's not loud.
Dude, that's cool.
That's cool. Making sure that his garden grow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He plants a seed in every town he go. All right.
Look at the size of that table.
That's basically the gist of it.
Yeah, I mean this portion of it.
We'll keep going. I'll turn it back on in a little bit, and once we're doing this, it should be pretty interesting. Us struggling to keep the array straight with the undulating roof. Some of these L feet are up all the way, and you see it starts going down. That's all the way down because the roof's come up. The roof's down here, so the roof's way up here, way up because of this bump.
And then it goes back down a little bit.
And then it goes back down, and then this one's all the way up. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. How does my hair look? It looks okay. Thanks, Dalton. Okay, here we are, back on the roof, starting on the top row with the undulating roof.
So far it doesn't look too bad. We're getting right at that splice now, so.
No, it's coming along pretty good, and it's just, you know, when you want it to be perfect and the roof is not, there's nothing you can do about that. And that's what I was saying earlier, when the panels are like this and like that. When it's like that, you're gonna have more space at the top. So it's gonna throw it all out, whether, you know, this one's going down or this one's going down. It'll make your panels turn sideways. Frustrating. Put a bucket of clams next to Dalton, right next to his ass, steamed instantly. Dalton, close the umbrella. That's my new catchphrase.
Get that bag off your head.
All right, now we're back on track with the lower row. So this end right there, those rails will get trimmed, sleeved, and capped, nice and black.
Like the Punisher truck.
Yeah, like a Punisher truck. Here we are on the other side. Lay it down, D-Money.
Oh, I think we're good there.
That's it, Ruby Roo. All right. Okay, here we are. Last four. And then we trim up the rails and put the sleeves on and caps. And that'll be it for today, since it is 5 o'clock. Let me put my sissy mittens on, as Glenn calls them.
Whatever, Glenn.
Yeah.
These
What?
boys don't even carry tool pouches.
What are you? Well, a lot of AC electricians don't, because they're doing plugs and stuff. They have a little bucket-o tools, doing outlets and lights. All you need is a couple tools anyway. That's just insane. All the way up, all the way down. Lovely. Now I gotta trim. You ask why we don't put a module there? because that little vent would throw a shadow on it most of the day. That's south right there. So yeah, I talked to my customer and he wanted it to produce as much as possible, so we put it down there. And he said he was cool with that. I need to crawl in the back of my truck because I can't open the tailgate because of the trailer. Oh no, it's not that far. Trim the rails. All right, safety glasses. Hopefully we have enough battery on this. Yep, that's it. All right, now I have to crawl inside there. See you in a bit. Yeah. I did it. And it hurt. Hopefully this one's not dead. We'll find out. My unit got caught on the tailgate. Please be full. Yeah, that was good times. I should have had the camera on for that. That would have got 10,000 views. Oh God! Woohoo! Tomorrow is home run wire, rooftop J boxes, inverters.
This is the melted one.
Oh, what the hell? Melted. That's just, they didn't shoot enough plastic in the mold.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You should take that home, man.
What?
Conversation piece. Looks pretty good. You can see this one. There it is. Creeping into the neighbor's yard. Looks dope. So that's how you do it with a crazy undulating roof. It was strong. Everything's 16 on center, but just put in not right. I mean, I don't know what they do. They slide one this way, they slide one that way. They need to get a string across, but in the old days, they didn't do that. They just kind of eyeballed it. There's a dog. All right. Oh, there you go. That's what he thinks of your solar, Dalton.
What?
The dog?
Piss?
Yep. Bye, Dalton. Say something.
Something.
Te amo.